Look at the herd of birds. Wow, you guys can't see that good view. I can. Look at that. Where'd it go? So completely weathered. They're heading towards us. They're heading towards us. Oh, sorry guys. They're heading towards us. You do not see what I see. Look at this, like firework. Alright. Scaring them away. Wow. It's a fucking big ass. I just don't fucking see that. Look at that. Look at this. Good ass view of those birds there, guys. Zoom in. Zoom in. There you go, guys. Look at that. I would do another one by crones. 100 viewers. I would do crones. I'll ride a ostrich. Ah! They are flying on top of me. Wow. How cool is that, guys? It's a bird. Look at this view. It's so cool. True! 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 Wow! Look at this. Wow, guys. Those are actually birds. True! Look at this. Great freaking view. I don't see no more. Whoa, guys, they're on top of me. They are on top of me. Wow. True. Wow, guys. Look at this view. How cool is that, guys? Woo! True. Look at this. Buddies. Look at them. See how close I am to them? I'm in the sky. Look at this. These are freaking birds. Bye.